Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? Today I'll show you how to make a Discord translating bot. This bot is designed to help you communicate with people from all over the world. It's really simple to use and you can start chatting with anyone in any language in just a few clicks. So here's how it works. You basically just type a message. I'm just going to say, hello, how are you doing? And then if I wanted to translate this to, let's say, German, I would just react with a German flag. And then here we are. Here we have it. Hello, hallo, wie geht es dir? So we'll have the translated text, original text, and the translated from. It says it's translated from English and it's 100% sure. And the pronunciation. This is useful for languages such as, for example, let's say Arabic. When you probably wouldn't know how to read this, you would just have the pronunciation, which would say marhaban kayf al-halik. So yeah, let's get into it. So what you want to do next is head up to this site, discord.com developers application. You can find this in the description. And you would log in with your Discord account and then create a new application. Here you can name your application whatever you want. I'll just name T-bot for translating bot. And then I'll accept and create. So our application is created. Then you would want to go to, under the settings, you could go to the bot menu and add a bot. Yes, do it. And here your bot is created. You can change the logo, the icon, and you will have to enable these. Yes. Then you should be good to go. We'll come back to this page in a bit, so just leave it like this. Okay, so next you're going to head up to this page. I'll let the link in the description. Here you can read more about the bot and you can find the source code. Don't worry, I'll explain what all this does in a bit. So what you want to do now is head up to code and then click this and then downloads it. Then you would want to extract this to a folder. And then I've already done that, so here it is. I'm going to be using Visual Code for this one, but you can use anything you want. So I'm going to open with code. So the first thing you want to do, you would want to create a new file called .env file. Let me just. And here you're going to type token equals. And then you're going to head back to your Discord bot menu and then press this button, reset token. Never share this with anyone. You copy this and then go back to your code and paste it. So let me show you how this actually works. So if we go to the main file, PPI bot, you'll see that we have imported the Discord API and the Google Trans API. Basically how a bot will work is basically get the message and send it to Google, and then Google will translate our message and return it to us. Then the bot will send it to the server. So we have made a flag dictionary for every country, their language code. For example, US has English. You can add more to this list, and that's easy to do. This part is basically just so our code is more secure. We could have had pasted our token here, but that's not a safe thing to do. And then this part is just to get all the permissions for the bot that are enabled based on the features necessary to run the bot. And then this part is, for example, if you want to have a help command, or anything similar, you can just add some code here. This will start the bot to run. But in our case, it's not going to be useful because we're just going to work with reactions. So our bot will wait for a reaction, and if that reaction is with a flag that's in our dictionary, then it will get the language code from that flag, and then it's going to get the original message, translate the message to the desired language, and then going to save the message, the translated message, and then the pronunciation. You can modify this. You can make it so it doesn't show the pronunciation, or you can add more features. It's all up to you. And then embed. This is just to make it look a bit better, like here, for example, this box. So we have added the title, which is translated text, original text, translated from, and pronunciation. And finally, the bot will send back the translated message to the server. And I made it so that it will mention the user who requested the translation. I just think that it looks a bit better that way. But before we run this script, there's one more thing that we have to do. We go back to our Discord application page and then head to authentication and then URL generator. Here you're going to press bots, and then here you can give the permissions that you want. I'm just going to give administrator for now, so it's easier. Then get this link, paste it to a web browser, press the server that you want to, and then authorize. I am a human. So if we go to our Discord, we'll see that the bot is here. Currently, it's offline. So now, I'm going to open a terminal. Make sure that this path is correct. One way is to check if you press ls and then you see your main file here, that means you're good. And you will have to get the requirements. So you just have to type pip install requirements. Enter. I've already done this. So now is the time to run the bot. So we're going to do Python and the name of the file. Py. Enter. And it should run. Okay. So we go back to Discord and we see that our bot is online. Let's test it. Let's say, for example, let's say hello in Albanian. And we translate this to English. Greetings, how are you? So it seems to be working fine. Let's try Arabic. It seems to be working fine. Let's try French. Bonjour. Nice. So yeah, this is all. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you found this video a bit helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me on the comments. I'll make sure to answer all of them. Liking the video would be nice. And yeah, hope you all have a great day.